Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. To start, open your Google Play Store and then in the search bar, search for Snapchat. In here, if it says update, you will need to update your Snapchat application. Now the next step is to open your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are already on settings, scroll down and then look for apps. Over at apps, you can scroll down as well or use the search bar to locate Snapchat. All you have to do this time is to click on the magnifying icon. If apps is not loading, close settings, then open apps once again. And then in here, use the search bar. And then on the search bar, type in Snapchat. Then open Snapchat. The first step is to click on Force Stop on the lower right. Then click on Storage. And then on the lower right, tap on Clear Cache. Once you are done, you may now close apps. In here, over at Settings home screen, go to the search bar once again. And then in the search bar, you're going to search for date and time. And then in here, click on date and time once again. Then, in here, you will need to do the following settings. Turn on set time zone based on location. Then turn off automatic time zone. In here, you will select a new time zone. Just choose one of your preference. Once done, you can now just search over the search bar once again on a new region. Then, head on over to your very own region once again. Then you can now go back. And that's it. Try opening your Snapchat application now. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.